Hello everyone. Today I gonna do next video about my truck. Right now I have different truck with Paccar engine, and nobody like this engine. It has more problems, but mostly the problems not in the engine. Most of them in the sensor, which reading exhaust gases. Also the this DPF system, which cleaning the exhaust gases. Most sensor uh, clog it with soot and give you bad reading. In my case, I have a problem with NOx sensor, and I have sometimes code for NOx sensor not good, and sometimes go away, and I think get new one, and I try to buy from the dealer, but I try to Peterbilt, which is closer for me because it's the same Paccar engine, and they try to charge me about $800 total. Uh, and I went to the Kenworth dealer, uh, price a little bit less, about 700 total, and the problem is they don't have it, and it has a back order, and I tell them how long it's gonna take, and what they told me, they already ordered some of them, but they cannot receive it for 1 month. And I think, okay, but my truck's still running, and I think, what I should do, I should remove it, old sensor from the truck, and check the numbers. Maybe I can find something aftermarket. And I, when I remove it from the truck, I find out that the NOx sensor has a small computer here which connected together. It's one piece. Why it's so expensive? So it has a small module here which send the signal to the ECU, and I think, oh, this is why it's so expensive. But anyway, it's a price, overpriced. The price is not good. It's too much. They wanted too much for this piece. And when I remove this one from the exhaust, I check on my tip on my sensor. Tip almost clean, and I think, what's going on? It's so clean. Only one spot has a soot. And I look inside what they did. This sensor not exposed directly to the exhaust gases. They have some kind of cup inside which has a holes around, about, I don't know, about 10 holes, and I check it. I see all of them almost clogged. Only one has little uh, connection. And what I did, I used this tool and I clean it inside the all holes. I make opening and clean it, and I install it back the sensor. I install it, and truck start run better, and better response, better gas mileage. And I think, okay, some, but I try to, anyway, I try to replace it. I try to get another sensor, and I try to look in everywhere, and I find one on eBay, about $100. It has no computer, no module here, only this piece. It's the same 8 wires NOx sensor. All wires has a different colors, and all of them is matches to my original one. And what I did when I came, I cut it here. I cut it my old one, and I connected all of them. I use heat shrink here. I solder it and put together. I install it today, and it works fine. There's no problem. And I think this also, I checked the sensor here. There's no company name, no part number, only the part number on the module. And I checked my aftermarket, it's almost identical. And I hope this one is gonna work pretty good. And I saw many people, when they replacing this one, they not cleaning these holes in the cup which goes inside. They just replace it, they put a new sensor, and it can give you faulty codes, because yeah, it can give you bad reading, because the gas is not reading properly, because no enough opening to read it. And when I got new one and I replaced this one, and this is my old one, I replaced it and I checked this one on a second time when I clean it. All of them was in soot around this. It was black. All of them was black, and right now I think everything will be good. And right now I hope you have idea what's going on with the sensor. It doesn't mean the sensor bad, only maybe these holes clog it and not give you good reading, and you can get faulty code. I hope this video helps you, and until next time, thank you for watching.